about you to Munchie. Munchie, you wicked to Mitzie, no Munchie. Munchie, you wicked to blood clot, Mitzie, no Munchie. Munchie about blood clot talk, you know. I know me talk, me no blood clot business, you know. Munchie, you wicked to blood clot, Mitzie, so we suffer to get the blood clot 2.5 years, Munchie. And Munchie, you do Mitzie this. You make Mitzie bring blood clot, let's go with beer drugs in the Munchie.
Hi guys, so when I first saw the story, I actually saw the voice recording on TikTok, and I wanted to wait until I have an actual news article to put the voice recording to. So let's get into the news article. It says a Jamaican-born British woman who was charged in relation to cocaine discovered in powdered milk while attempting to board a flight for London was remanded for bail application in Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on March 6. Mitzie Graham, 53, a healthcare assistant, is charged with possession of cocaine, dealing in cocaine, and taking steps to export cocaine. According to the police, on January 17th, about 5 p.m., the woman checked into the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston to board a flight destined for London. During security screening, 4.8 kilograms of cocaine was discovered concealed in 9 large packages of Lasco in her suitcase. The cocaine is estimated to have a street value of US $144,000 or Jamaican $20,736,000. According to her attorney, Orville Morgan, his client was the one who informed police officers that she was bringing home the milk product for her friend Munchie, who reportedly asked her to collect them. The woman reportedly told the police about the items after they inquired about the ownership of the contents in her luggage. On Friday, when the matter was mentioned, Morgan indicated his intent to apply for bail on the next court date. Graham was subsequently remanded. Following Graham's arrest, persons swarmed down on Munchie's home in London, calling for her to hand herself over to the police. So according to Mitzie, she and Munchie are friends from a long time, and she went to Jamaica. So when she went to Jamaica, Munchie asked Mitzie to go collect some package of Lasco Fiar to bring up from a family friend. She went, collected the packet of Lasco, put it in her luggage, made her way to her airport where she was supposed to leave. That's when she found out that the package of Lasco had cocaine in it. She had no idea that it had coke. She thought it was just Lasco. And I'm going to have to give Mitzie what is deserving unto Mitzie, and Munchie what is deserving unto Munchie. Mitzie is 53 years old. This is not the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Another from a long time. People have been setting up people in Jamaica to bring cocaine unbeknownst to them, which is why they always ask you, did you pack your bag yourself, or do you know exactly what's in all the items in your suitcase? If the answer is no, do not bring it. Mitzie, if Munchie wanted Lasco, she should have just sent the money to you via Western Union, and you went to the supermarket and buy the Lasco for Munchie. Gone are the days where people are actually taking stuff up from other people's home to take it to other people a foreign. Too much problem have come from others doing that, so people rarely do that. And when I go to Jamaica personally, if you guys ever watch any of my travel vlogs, you guys know I bring up a lot of stuff. So I'm not going to even blame Mitzie. I bring up a whole suitcase full of stuff from Jamaica. And while they are being sold in the US, the price that they have them in the US are exorbitant. Okay? While I can get them in Jamaica for cheap. So I would rather pack my suitcase, pay for the extra overweight, and bring them up here than to actually purchase them in whatever foreign country I am in. So people are saying that she should have known better and Lasco is sold in England is whack, is lame, because the amount of money and taxes that they put on those items once they're in those foreign country is crazy. And the list of people that can actually give me items in Jamaica are very few and far in between. I literally can count 2 people that can give me something to take. And when I'm taking it, I know exactly what's in it. I'm inspecting it and all of that. And majority of the time, it's seasoning, it's pudding, fry fish and stuff like that, because I'm not taking up anything that I can't see inside of the package and can't see what is inside of it. So let's get into Munchie now. Honestly, if Munchie actually did this to her friend, and while she can't be prosecuted because she's in England, karma, don't worry, karma will get her. People be thinking that they are getting away with stuff when they do stuff, whether that it be consciously or unconsciously doing things to people, and think that they're getting away with it. But little do they know, they never get away with anything, because karma is either going to hit them, someone they love, or they are going to pay eternally for the things that they have done. So Munchie might feel like she got away now, but I promise she didn't get away. I'm actually hoping that Mitzie cleared this case up in Jamaica. Once she clears everything up in Jamaica, she gets on another plane, she leaves Jamaica, and she never ever contact Mitzie again. Do not allow a person like that access to you ever again. And I'm gonna be real, if something like this actually happened to me and I got it all cleared away and squared away in Jamaica, and I was still able to leave and go back to England, once I reach England, I will probably find a way to beat the out of Munchie's ass. And that's just me being real, honest, and clear and forthcoming. I would probably go to England and beat her into oblivion, especially if what I am saying is true, that I did not know that it had cocaine, and I honestly thought it was Lasco, because me and this girl were friends for years, and I never thought in a million years she would do something like that to me. I would go to England and I would whoop her into oblivion. But with that being said, I'm going to end this video here. I hope Mitzie get through, and I hope Munchie, you're at in hell if you actually really did this to her. So with that being said, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. I hope you guys don't take anything up for anyone that's going to land you in this predicament right here.
Munchie, you know Mitzie suffer to get her stay. Munchie, Mitzie not do blood clot drugs. Munchie, Mitzie not do drugs. Munchie, Mitzie not do blood clot drugs. And you do Mitzie this. Immigration take on Mitzie out her house and bring her to the detention center. And Mitzie fight to get her stay. Mitzie used to go on the road and do go shoplifting with Munchie. You know Mitzie don't do drugs, no need a drug, no call for Munchie, Mitzie name. And you do Mitzie this. Mitzie have a son down at Jamaica, Munchie. And you really set up Mitzie and give Mitzie 9 Lasco with beer drugs in her Munchie. Oh, you wicked so. Munchie people tell me last time that you're wicked, but I know me blood clot prove it. Munchie, if you want blood clot drugs, where you want to go to Jamaica, go for your drugs, Munchie. Munchie, make money while we know say you're a drug dealer. Why you never go to Jamaica for your drugs? You set up friend. I'm my friend that jail down a blood clot Jamaica. Chalky that Jamaica. You know me say I'm a pity there to look after. And Munchie set up Mitzie a wicked a blood clot. Munchie make you wicked so. Munchie you wicked. that wicked, you're evil. Munchie, me never know that, so you're evil. You know Mitzie sickly, Mitzie have diabetes, you know Mitzie take insulin. And you know Mitzie always go for your medication, they over your bit, Munchie. And you do Mitzie this. Jesus Christ, Munchie! You're wicked. You know how we suffer. We get with blood clots in the country and you do this to Mitzie. Mitzie start get carried her. Mitzie stop up on the road. Mitzie don't do look shoplifting. And you see the woman suffer get her blood clots still. And start do a carrying job and start do the shoplifting. And you set up the woman, you beg the woman bring Lasco. And you make me see that jail at Jamaica, Munchie, why you do it? Munchie, you wicked, a blood clot, me hear people talk. I may never believe, I know me believe. Munchie, you're too wicked. Jesus Christ, me a call out. Munchie, you wicked. Munchie, you